My name's Ben, and today we've got a lovely car to show you around. This is a 2015 Porsche Macan S Diesel with just 56,000 miles from new and a full Porsche main dealer service history and 2 owners from new. So really well looked after in its lifetime. Finished in agate grey with black full leather interior, and it's also got some really nice options over and above a standard Macan. We'll start at the front and do our best to talk you through as many of those as we can. So first of all, the headlights, they're Bi-Xenon headlights, but they do have automatic high beam assist in them as well. So whilst you're driving along, they will just raise and lower as cars come towards you. And we've got the LED strip down here for the extra daytime running light, along with the 4 points on the corner of the light unit itself. Coming round the side, we've got the 20-inch RS Spider design alloy wheels, finished in satin black. Go really nicely with some more black features on the car, like the window surrounds and the roof rails. And then the grey brake calipers with the Porsche logo on them there as well. And speaking of those black details, we've got satin black window surrounds, satin black or gloss black roof rails rather, and then a massive glass opening panoramic roof system. And if you have a look inside the car, you'll see we've got full leather interior throughout with some piano black trims on the dashboard and extended leather to the dashboard as well, which is a cost option. Lots of features to talk through on the inside as we get around the driver's side, but most importantly on the inside is that big glass opening panoramic roof. 14-way electrically adjustable seats and illuminated door entry sill guards as well. Privacy glass on the rear doors, and then heated rear seats as well. A lovely cost option for the rear passengers, and again the roof lets in a lot of light for those rear passengers as well, so lots of comfort to be had in the back of this particular car. And there is a sun blind for the roof if you do want to shut that off, so you can block out all of the light coming through. We've got the darkened rear lights and the sports tailpipes on the back as well in silver, so dual pipes on either side rather than the standard square exhaust pipes. The power tailgate button, which is hidden very nicely in the wiper arm there. Just push that button, boot goes up, and you've got a very reasonably sized boot for a mid-size SUV. More space underneath the boot floor there with a spare wheel as well, which is quite rare on cars these days. And the button at the top here to shut that down. We have got reverse camera, which is just above the number plate down the bottom there. And then coming around the driver's side, I'll jump in and we'll go through some of the interior features. So if I just get the key out of the armrest here. So on the driver's door card, we've got piano black trims in the doors, which is a really nice touch. Smooth leather to your armrest here. Power folding door mirrors. You've also got an electric boot button on the door there itself. And because we've got 14-way electrically adjustable seats, we've got memory settings for the driver and the passenger as well, which is a really nice touch. And I'll just fire the car into life. Move the seats back. And believe it or not, we've also got an electric steering column in this car. So it will go forwards, backwards, up and down electrically, and that will save with your memory settings as well. And then if I just clear that, we've got our digital screen on the right hand side again, which is customizable. So you've got navigation, trip meters, etc., all sorts of stuff. This car's also got a sports chrono package, so the clock on the dashboard also gives you a lap timer in the dashboard there if you so wish to use that. Cruise control down on the stalk on the left hand side of the column here. Obviously multifunction steering wheel, as you've seen. We've got extended leather across the top of the dashboard, which is a cost option. If I go onto the map here, we've got Porsche's own navigation system in here. And then if I pop the car into reverse, you'll see the reverse camera pops up, or it does pop up if I take the handbrake off, with the parking sensor display at the front and back there for you. So nice and clear to use. Dual zone climate control. Heated seats in the front as well as the back, as you saw earlier on, and then lots of options down here. So probably one of the most important ones, we've got air suspension on this car, a big cost option, makes the car much more comfortable. And then because we've got the chrono package on the dashboard, you get a Sports Plus button as well. You've got the dampers you can stiffen up. You've got lane departure warning with sort of steering assist to keep you in the lanes if you want that on. And then yeah, just lots of storage, a cubby hole down here with a 12-volt socket, cup holders, and a big section under the armrest there. And I'll open the roof as well so you can see what the car looks like with that panoramic roof all the way open, because you do get this sort of wind deflector blind net at the front there as well. So that will go a long way back. And then I'll just switch the car off and jump outside and summarise what a nice example this is. So 2015 Macan S Diesel with 56,000 miles and a full Porsche main dealer service history. Agate Grey with the black full leather interior and lots of cost options. Some very nice ones as well. Macans are all about visuals, and this car has got the visuals, so it's a really, really nice example. My name's Ben. I hope the video's helped, and thank you very much for watching.